All right, a valuable skill within physical science is being able to convert between different units. And today we're going to do how many miles is 10 yards. There's only two things we need to know for this. 1 yard equals 3 feet, and in 1 mile, you have 5,280 feet. So what we're trying to get to is miles, and what we're trying to get rid of is yards. So we're going to start with what we already know, which is our 10 yards. And since we're trying to get rid of yards, we're going to put that on the bottom. That way when we do this multiplication, those yards are going to cross out. Then we're thinking about, well, what unit are we going to have on top here? Personally, I don't know the direct conversion between miles and yards, so we're going to use kind of something in between there, which is going to be feet. And then you just fill in what we already had up here. In 1 yard, you have 3 feet. Now, what unit are we trying to get rid of? It's going to be that feet right there. So we put feet on the bottom. And then what can we put up top? Well, we're trying to get to miles, and we do have that conversion. So we can put mile up top. Then what numbers do we put in there? It's just what we have right there for our conversion. In 1 mile, you have 5,280 feet. Then this is sometimes where people get tripped up, but what you're going to do is just multiply everything on the top and then divide by what's on the bottom. So on the top, you're going to have 30, and it's going to be over 5,280. We got that because 10 times 3 times 1 equals 30. 1 times 5,280 is just 5,280. And then this is going to come out to 0.0057. Now, is 0.0057 our correct answer? No, it is not. And the reason for that is because we don't have any units on there, and that's pretty important in science. So this is why you want to do this somewhat long process to show your work. It's because then you don't have to worry about what your units are. Because when this multiplication happens, your yards are going to cross out, your feet are going to cross out, and all you are left with is miles. So 10 yards equals 0.0057 miles.